Yo, what's up guys? So I finally pulled the trigger on a new GoPro Hero 8 Black. I think that's what it's called. I'm trying to see. 8 Black. Yeah, I don't even know if they call it the Hero anymore. The 8 Black. I got the new GoPro. Should be super stable. 4K, slow-mo features. I'm hoping it really improves a lot of my tutorials and stuff that I do here at the shop. I'm about to run some errands into town. I'm kind of working remote and part-time. Well, I'm still full-time, but all my work is basically moved remote, so my schedule is a little more flexible. I got the Mercedes back together this weekend. As you can see here, I put new axles in the rear. I have new rotors and pads all the way around. Haven't really put too many miles on it yet. So I'm gonna drive it around today, see how she does. Try and observe if the vibration issue that I was having went away or got any better. And just put some miles on her basically and see how she's doing. I cut the exhaust off, so it sounds ridiculous right now. And I need to get a welder so I can put the exhaust back on eventually. But I'll deal with that later. But just straight piped 5.0 V8 right now. It's pretty fun. It kind of sounds like a Chevy, but should be pretty fun. But yeah, just gonna get into it and yeah, stay tuned. Yeah guys, so here's the S500. I've never really posted it in its final form. Got some 20s on it, 20 by 9.5. Got those from VR Wheels a few months ago. Coilovers. Ignore the foggy headlights. I'm gonna try and buff those out this weekend. And pretty happy with the ride height. It's been fun. Just kind of need to get some this vibration in the front end figured out and put the exhaust back on. And my tint's pretty rough right now, but it'll get better eventually. I don't know if you can see that. It's really dirty too. Might wash her tonight when I get home and try to do the headlights. But it's the slab. It's how we rolling. We're pulling up in foreigns. Foreigns only. It ain't foreign, it's boring.